Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the ringtone with the buttons on this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option sounds and haptics. Select this one. Okay. So under ringtone and alerts you can see the option change with the buttons. Now this is a disabled. If you want to enable, turn on this one. Now simply using your buttons, that means the volume up buttons and the volume down buttons, you can easily adjust the ringtone or the alert sounds. Let me show you. You can see. If I disable this one, when I try to press on volume up, you can see it will adjust only the media sound. If you want to adjust or change the ringtone volume, you have to turn on this one, and just using the buttons you can easily adjust the ringtone volume using buttons. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.